Managing shipments on the go? No problem. Introducing the Sensos Shipment Management Card, your pocket-sized powerhouse for real-time visibility. Imagine having key shipment details and actions readily available anytime, anywhere. Click to view all your active shipments directly. Monitor the current status and location of each shipment with a single tap. See alerts for potential delays, temperature fluctuations, or security concerns. Take immediate action with options like contacting carriers or reviewing shipment details. With a Sensos Shipment Management Card, you can respond to issues and make informed decisions quickly, regardless of location. You can stay connected with all stakeholders by sharing real-time shipment updates. And you are empowered to eliminate wasted time tracking down information and focus on what matters most. Take control of your shipments on the go and boost your supply chain agility. Visit our website to learn more